How to fix FaceTime is not working on your MacBook computer. So if you're unable to either send or receive calls on your Mac, I'm going to show you a few ways on how to go and solve this issue. Now the first thing you need to do is click on the Apple logo in the top left hand side and then click on System Settings. Now click on your profile name, click on iCloud, click on See All, and make sure you have FaceTime turned on and enabled like this. You could then click on General from the left hand side, click on Software Update, and make sure your MacBook computer is fully up to date. So if there's any updates available here, you'll need to go and install these now, as these updates often contain performance fixes as well. Once you've done that, come back over to General, scroll down to Date and Time, make sure Set Date and Time automatically is turned on, and where it says Source, you can click on Set. And sometimes you'll need to reset your date and time in order to fix this issue. If it's still not working, click on Screen Time from the left hand side. Now scroll down to Content and Privacy and make sure this option here is turned off and disabled. Once you've applied all of these steps, you can close out of this window, click on the search box and type in FaceTime and open up the app. Now from the FaceTime app, click on FaceTime and then press Settings. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Apple account. You can also try signing out of your account and signing back in. Where it says you can be reached for FaceTime at, make sure you have all of the options selected, including your phone number. And where it says calls from your iPhone, you also want to make sure this is turned on. You can then click on FaceTime. You can try unchecking silence unknown callers. For the call filtering, have this set to never. And you also can try turning off the FaceTime spam. Once you've applied all of these settings, your FaceTime should now be working on your Mac computer.